guess in the iDrive system we can maybe do the M1 and M2 setup buttons. Now those are right over here on the steering wheel, guys.
So you can see here you have M1 and M2, and these are really just for personalization. So you have two different options. So for instance, for M1, you can set that as your very fast, all settings. And then M2, you can maybe do a little bit more efficient of a ride. And then anytime you press either of the two buttons, that's going to give you all your personalization settings for that button.
And then how would we set that, Trish, in here?
So if you go down on your iDrive, you're going to go to settings, and this is where you're going to go to
all the way to the top?
M1, M2. So for instance, we'll click on M1, and as you click on each of these specific dynamic controls, you can change your options for each one. So this one has 3 different settings. So you would just personalize it per what you want.
So you have the traction control there, and then this one's the engine management. So you can go to a Sport Plus, Sport, or more of an efficient setting, which is what it starts out when you turn it on. Then you can see here, you've got your, let's see here, this was the steering. Yeah, there's your steering assist, Sport, Sport Plus, or Comfort if you're just cruising around. Then here you've got your settings. I think this will be for the transmission, yeah, for the shift modes. So depending if you're in drive or in the manual. And then you've got your iDrive settings. So you can have a full M view, you know, RPMs, things like that, or just have a default. So really cool. And you've got 2 buttons. I know on previous generations a while back we used to only have 1. So it's kind of nice that BMW's given us even more choices.
Yeah, so once you have all of those set, that would be your M1 preferences. And then you would go in and you would personalize all of your M2.
And then what about the heads-up display? What can we do on that one if we go back?
So for your heads-up display, you'll go here and you can turn it on and off with this one here. So you can turn it off. And then displayed information is going to give you options for what you want displayed on your hologram projected into the windshield.
Oh, nice.
So,
okay. There's M view too, so you could have that all the time if you want.
Yes. So you can see you'll have all of your entertainment, like radio stations projected into your windshield, telephone, contacts, anything going on with your engine, and then of course driving directions when you have an address inputted into the system.
Okay.
And then also for your heads-up display, you can control the brightness and the height of the hologram, and also the rotation.